Hi guys, so today I'm trying to just stay on top of my videos and hopefully moving forward we'll do that. But I know with the Crafter's Companion I didn't show you guys box 11 or 12, and to be honest I didn't really even look at them because of everything that was going on in the house. So I just put them up, and this one I thought would be interesting. I have no idea what's in this because supposedly, or most of the time they have videos coming out around the same time that the subscription box comes out. But they've been kind of lagging on that, and maybe they're getting tired of it at Crafter's Companion. I don't know. But they still do make videos. They just come out a little bit later. So this is box number 13. And the way to get in with this was HSN had, you know, craft day, and it was over a year ago because this is already the 13th month that I've gotten it. But I haven't seen that you can sign up for it again. So unless Crafter's Companion has that on their website, I don't know. But it says number 13, so that's kind of a bummer. So what's kind of cool is obviously if you got into it, you're still getting it. And I thought it was only going to be for a year, so kind of fun. And they do have it set out to, I think, like month 16 right now. If I go on HSN on my profile to see, you know, if I want to keep or skip a box or whatever. So kind of cool. But it says it's a flower forming foam kit. Okay, flower forming foam kit. Hopefully it's bright enough in here. I don't want to turn on this orange light. I think it's okay. Well, we'll see. Okay, so it says it has over 580 elements and makes a minimum of 18 cards. And they always have their little pretty sticker at the bottom here. I'm just going to cut that. And then some information on the back. Sorry, that made a really ugly sound. I never really show the whole box, but like on the back it says what it includes as far as metal dies, box templates, foam, stamens, card blanks, foiled die-cut toppers, colored card, printed papers, pearls, and ribbons. So let me open this up and see what we have. Saw somebody at my neighbor's house. It's not my neighbor because, you know, I'm super nosy. No, I'm just kidding. I just have this window that's open to that way, and I'm like, huh. Anyway, so I'm going to open this up and see what's in here. And to be honest, I'm curious because that foam flower thing, it's not really my thing with the foam being the material. I did order some, I think, from like AliExpress one time, and I have them, but I haven't really used them yet, and they're already put together. It's just the foam flower. So lots of stamens, which are super cute, and I was like, oh, this is very generous. But to be honest, I just ordered some stamens on AliExpress. They were 11 cents for a bunch, a little bit bigger than this, and then they ship it for free, so for 11 cents, and they're somewhere around here. But anyway, I just thought that's kind of funny. You know, get your stuff wherever you need to get it, but as far as craft supplies, sometimes it just makes more sense to get them there, even though you have to wait a while. But these are really cute, really pretty colors. White and like a dark gray, a lighter gray, a cream color, kind of yellowish, a pink, a creamy pink, and then like a lavender color. So really cute. Half pearls to coordinate with them. Assorted ribbons, which they do this most of the time. So there's like an inch ribbon, maybe 3/4, maybe 1/2 inch. I don't know, but they do several different ribbon sizes coordinating there. Really cute little metal dies, just your little basic flower. With 4 different layers and then a leaf, which is adorable. A box template and a box. This is very cute. I do have their box maker and all those kind of things, but I do like little fun things like this just because, like, why not, you know? So that's kind of cute because you can reuse this, you know, obviously until it wears out, but I don't see that happening. So that's adorable. Card blanks, all different sizes of, you know, different cards. It comes with toppers. I'll open it. A lot of times when I open it, it's just basically the same thing, but 5 times or whatever. So let's see. So yeah, they're slightly different. The pink ones, there's some blue ones, gold foil on them. There's some lavender color ones, and then some more pink ones, like blue and, but they're different. Okay, so these are different. These are like the first set. They're a little bit different. So that's nice. Foam sheet, it says. I don't know if it's just, no, it should say foam sheets, I guess. So there's a white, there's like a green, a lavender, more white, a light pink, and like a yellow color of foam sheets. And they're very thin because for as much as this feels, it feels very, very light. So they're super thin, really going to be really easy to cut, I assume. It says colored card. So again, it's going to be coordinating to what they give us. So again, there's like yellows and pinks and blues and purple and the same kind of leaf green color. And then we have printed paper. And let me open this one up because this will be fun to look at. Again, I think it's $25 and maybe $5 shipping. I think it's 30 bucks. So, you know, I don't know. Sometimes the value is there, sometimes it's not. This is a cute kit. So I always look at it that way more than anything. Oh, it's a little bit dark. Sorry, guys. So this is really cute paper. It's not double-sided. It has pretty flowers, a lot of like roses, and foliage. Super cute. Those are the pink papers, and then they have it in like blue tones, so it's the same patterns but in blues background. And then this is kind of a purpley background, so really cute. So that's it, guys. If you want to see the other boxes, let me know. But by now, I mean, Crafter's Companion already has on their site the videos for that, so it doesn't make much sense for me to do it. But that's box number 13, and thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now.